everyone, welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your friend boxing's reviews and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have another unboxing video. This is a 2019 Matchbox from the Mazda. It's the Mazda CX5 in red. 2019, and I scored this on a shelf like a week ago at a different Dollar General. So they had 2019 Matchboxes still on the shelf. There are only a couple left. I picked all the ones up that I didn't have yet. Pretty cool looking casting. I remember seeing this first edition one on the shelf at a different Dollar General like 3 years ago, back in 2018. And I was so excited to get it, and my mom bought it for me, and I finally found this second color. Still looking for the 2021 from the Matchbox Off-Road in this metal flake black color, which I'll put on screen. MBX Road Trip, number 6 of 20 for 2019. I mean, this is the oldest car I've ever scored off a shelf 2 years ago. FYP 96, 18 of 100 for the year. 2019 copyright, same. Sometimes for Matchbox, it'll be the same as the year of issue. We can get this open. And Matchboxes are a little bit tougher to crack open. Nice clean open. There's the red one. Ooh, liking the front wheel spin. Independent. Rear ones wobble, but there's a nice look at it. Nice SUV. Crossover. Loving the fender there. Loving these wheels. These are my favorite Matchbox mags. Super Sport 5-spoke wheels. These are chrome ones instead of the silver ones. There's a difference. Nice. Loving the red. Way better than the gray one in my opinion. Nice look. Love the fenders. Those fenders are really cool. It's got a red Mazda badge. Does that mean it's a Mazda CX5 Type R? Ha ha. No. Okay, so in 2019, this is the first version of it where it had a front license plate. That's a casting difference. It says Mazda on it. Beautiful, details on that. Really loving this casting. I've always loved the Mazda CX5 casting. This is like the kind of casting that a 30-year-old mom would drive in real life. Yeah, really cool. CX5 on the back. Ooh, sunroof. That's sweet. That's pretty sweet right there. Nice, awesome sauce in a can, boys. All the windows are closed, so we can't really see the interior that well, but that interior is black, I can tell. Plastic base. Made in Thailand. Thanks so much for tuning in. I love y'all, and please subscribe for